Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a person from a photo using an app called Snapseed. It's free to download for both iOS and Android. And with that being said, let's get started. So first, open Snapseed on your device and import the photo you want to edit from your gallery. And as you can see, I have a photo with the person I would like to remove. Now we will start by opening the Tools menu and selecting the double exposure option. After that, tap on the photo icon at the bottom of the screen to import the same photo again. Once you have added that, now slightly move the second photo to the right or left so that you can see the two people side by side. And by default, the opacity of the second image is set to 50%. Now let's adjust it to the 100%. And after that, now it's time to erase the person. Simply tap button at the top and then go to the View Edit section. Select double exposure option and tap the little brush icon. Now use the brush tool to start removing the person. And to make your edit more precise, zoom in on the photo and carefully brush over the person that you want to erase. As you brush, you will notice that the person is gradually disappearing. If there are any leftover artifacts or imperfections, don't worry. We'll fix those in the next step. And once you have finished brushing, simply open the healing tool from the Tools menu. And once you have selected this, simply use this tool to clean up any remaining artifacts or imperfections by brushing over them. And once you are satisfied with the final result, simply tap on tick button, and after that you can simply tap on export button. And from the menu that pops out, you can simply save your edited photo. And that's it. You have successfully removed a person from your photo using Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.